Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to transfer money from Woodforest to Cash App. So if you're interested, let's start our tutorial. Now, first thing that we want to do here is we want to connect our Woodforest account into Cash App. Now, to do that, first thing is you will have to open up your Cash App mobile application, and from the home screen, you should look for your profile icon. So for your profile icon, it's located at the top right of your screen, and just click on it. Now, once you click on it, you'll see the option that says Link Banks, and just click on it. And there, you'll see the option that says Link Bank, and just click on it again. Now, from there, you just need to follow the prompts that you'll be asked to enter. And once you've entered all the details and confirmed, you'll be able to connect your Woodforest account into Cash App. Now, once you've connected your account, the next thing that we can do here is to cash in. Now, to start the transaction, first thing is you want to go back into the home screen for Cash App and click on the Money tab. Now, from there, just click on the Add Cash option, and from there, just enter the amount that you want to cash in. Now, once you're satisfied, just click on the Add button to start the transaction of you transferring funds. And from there, just need to enter your PIN or use your Touch ID to confirm the transaction. And that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.